Every time I design hip tattoos, I follow this line, so your body line. See, it comes in, so I would turn some lines in like that. Same here, see how it like turns, and then I would turn like that. So this would be the line we would go for. Let's say if we do some flowers, this is a nice flat area, and this is also a nice flat area. This is where the bones are. You don't really want to put too much heavy weight on it. I always think about the outer side of the flower, and then the inner side of the flower. The same here. And then this inner one turns into the first petal. And you can see how that middle just turned into the middle. Then the outer circle is basically where the outer big petals go. Of course, we make some longer and wider just so it all just doesn't look like a circle. Then this line will turn into a leaf or the branch where the leaves grow from. And we do here. At this stage, we just sketch. We don't really go too crazy with our perfect details. Turns into leaf branch. I love to make leaves darker. It makes the flowers look more white. And this is how I can make you look amazing. I will design directly on you so it fits you perfectly. It's you wearing that tattoo, but your tattoo is wearing you at the same time. And I know you want a design that fits you perfectly. This is a process I design all of them.